Good morning, children. Children, up till yesterday, we have completed Unit 2, Flora and Fauna. Among that, we have come to plant life. In that plant life, we have learned about taproot and fibrous root. So, children, that work we will continue in our next class. So, have you received your portion copy, children? As soon as you received your portion copy, you have to prepare for your second weekly test. Coming Saturday, that is on 11th of September, you are having second weekly test of EVS. So children, what we will do today? We will revise the portion what is given in the for weekly test. So from unit 1. Now which unit we will? Up till where we have stopped, we will start there. Unit 1, the world around us. What is that? The world around us. Among that, in the first weekly test, we have completed the first unit, that is natural things and man-made things, up till page number 156. So now in this unit we will complete the part that is living things and non-living things. So which one is that part? Living things and non-living things. So before we do revision of our weekly test, because already we have started unit 2. So what we will do? We will do revision. So from where? From page number 157 to 165. The full unit, that is living things and non-living things, we will complete the first unit. So we will read all the exercise and the word meaning, whatever I have given related to this part. So note down your homework, read and practice for the test, for this second weekly test. Okay, from page number 157 to 165. See children, you can write in a long sheet and you can prepare it for your test also. So now open page number 157 from test book. We will start reading and we will read all the exercise given in the test book as well as in the notebook. So open page number 157. See children, the picture of living things and non-living things. This already we have completed on 11th of August. Okay, living things and non-living things. And children, those who are joined late, you can see this video and you can complete your test book also. Children, woman, an old man, birds, ducks, flowers, trees, bushes, a dog. In non-living things, a bench, a board, a seesaw, a kite, balloons, a shovel, a swing, a bird bath, a dustbin, a clothes, a shoes, and a walking stick. These are the things which you can see in this picture. Here we have classified them into living things and non-living things. Those who are living things, they are in the living things column. Those who are non-living things, they are in this column. Now turn the page. See children, here word meaning. Word meaning of living things need food and water. Meal, that is food. Weak, lack of energy. Due to lack of energy, we feel weakness. Irritate, to make someone angry or annoyed. Physically or mentally activity. Now one more question is there from page number 159. Is it true that lions, tigers and leopards also depend upon green plants for their food? Why and how? Shall we read the answer? See children, lion, tigers and leopards feed on animals like rabbit, deer and zebra. These animals feed on plants as they are herbivorous. This is called ecosystem. So children, you can write it and you can practice it by heart it. Come to the next one. See children, this question and answer we have read from our notebook. Now come to living things need air to. See children, now it's living things grow. We have written word meaning of this part and here few questions from here. So what we will do? We will do the reading. See children, word meaning. Damp, in a state between dry and wet, that is moist. Gentle, mild, kind or tender character. Covering, a thing used to protect. Growth, the process of increase in size. Feeling, an emotional state or reaction. Observed, to see, watch. Okay, so children, you have to read this word meaning and practice it. Now see page number 161. They have given the question: the bicycle, the handcart and the kites are moving. Are these living things? No. Why? And one more question from this about who is the scientist J.C. Bose and what did he discover? These both questions we will read from the notebook. See children, the bicycle, the handcart and the kites are moving. Are these living things? No. Why? The answer is these things cannot move on their own. They need external push, that is force, to move. Hence, they are non-living things. So, this is your one question and answer. And children, those who have joined new, you can see this and you can complete your notebook and work given in the test book. Next question is, who is J.C. Bose? What did he discover? J.C. Bose is a scientist. He discovered that the plant have feelings and they react to music. So what you have to do? You have to by heart these two question answer. Now children, come to page number 162. Living things produce their young ones. Here I have given you word meaning of this part. What we will do? Now we will open this and read word meanings from this. See here, living things produce their young ones, living things die. Both these together word meanings are there. Produce, make or manufacture from components, that is raw materials. So produce, make or manufacture from components, raw materials. Young one, a child or offspring. Creature, an animal as distinct from a human being. Lifespan, the average length of life of a kind of organism. Variety, the quality or state of being different or diverse. Exit, an act of leaving the place. So this also word meaning you have to read it. Now see children, page number 163 and 164. Here were few questions. That question and answer I have given you on the blackboard. Now we will read this. Okay. Now come to the first. See the word given on 31st of August 2021. Answer the following question from page 164. How does the camel's hump help it to live in the desert? The hump of the camel's back allows to survive for an extremely long time without food. Come to question number 2. Are the flat parts of the cactus plants its leaves? No. Full stop. The flat green parts are its stem, comma, which helps it to prepare its food and store water. Third one. Why do the branch of a pine tree slope downwards? Answer is, the pine tree grows in cold region. The leaves of these trees are needle shaped. It is conical in shape and the pine tree branches slopes downwards to stand erect. Then come to question number 4. Why does the yak have such a thick woolly covering on its body? Answer is, yak live mainly in cold region. They have a thick woolly covering on their body which helps them to keep their body warm. So these are the 4 questions that you have written. Come to 5th question now. Now the 5th question is, why do coconut trees grow mostly in the coastal areas. Coastal areas, coastal trees are grown in tropical countries all over the world. They are mostly grown in coastal areas because they require a warm and humid climate and regular rainfall. These 5 questions then come to the sixth one. See children, sixth question is, why are the turtles and crabs found near the seashore? Sea turtles and crabs spend most of their life in water but lay eggs on beaches. Thus we find them near seashore. Seventh one, how does the chameleon protect itself from its enemies in the rocky desert? The answer is, the chameleon can change its color to match its surroundings. This helps it to protect itself from enemies. Come to 8th one. Why are the gorillas and spider monkey found in thick rainforest? Answer is, gorillas and spider monkeys are herbivorous animal. They are mainly found in rainforest. The rainforest have plenty of vegetation. Ninth one, why are the trees in the rainforest so tall? The rainforest trees grow very tall. They compete each other so as to receive more sunlight and grow taller. So children, we have completed all these 9 question answers. You have to by heart this all, and now we will come to the exercise. Now open page 165 from textbook. Complete these sentences by choosing the correct option. All living things need food and water. So from this given option, you have to choose it and write it. All living things grow. All living things have young ones like themselves. All living things die. Write L for the living things and NL for the non-living things. Bee, living things. Butterfly, living things. House, non-living things. Grass, living things. Ship, non-living things. Book, non-living things. Earthworm, living things. Water lily, living things. Loaf of bread, non-living things. Ant, living things. Coconut tree, living things. Table, non-living things. Telephone, non-living things. Pencil, non-living things. And the same way children, you have to by heart this right and wrong. All living things can move from one place to another. Wrong. All living things produce their young ones by laying eggs. Wrong. All living things grow. Right. Plants do not need air to breathe. Wrong. All living things have feelings. Here one scientific reason they have given. Mrs. Desai touched a hot pressure cooker by mistake. What did she do? So this you have to do the correct one. She felt the heat and quickly drew her hand away. A potted plant is kept near the window and watered regularly. What would happen after a week? So after a week, the branches of the plant will grow towards the window. So this full one page, page number 165, you have to read and you have to prepare for your second weekly test of EVS. Okay children, have a nice time. Bye.